Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you mini coaster with rose flower. You can make it smaller or bigger, the size of this coaster. In the written pattern we explain more sizes. This bigger size bouquet blanket I have done and completed in my previous video. You can watch full video on my YouTube channel. For more detail and sizes visit my website, the link in the description box. A beautiful pattern. Let us start. Mini coaster. I'm using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool. Medium weight 4-ply wool, half white color, green color and red color. 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. 3.5 millimeter crochet hook I'm using. In step I will show you size of the make a loop. Make a chain 4 slip stitch in the first chain or make a magic circle. I am making a magic circle, 2 chains, and in the circle making a double crochet, 1 double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. Continue and make double crochet 12 in the circle, double crochet 12 in the circle. 11 and 12. I have 12 double crochet stitches. Skip these 2 chain in the first double crochet, make a slip stitch. Now from row 2 we are making the increasing row. 2 chains we don't count in the same stitch, make a double crochet 2, make chain 1 and double crochet 2 in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern, chain 1 and double crochet 2 in the next double crochet stitch, chain 1, double crochet 2 in the next double crochet stitch. Continue and follow the same work around, slip stitch in the first double crochet. In row 2 chain 1, in the last stitch double crochet 2. Repeat the pattern 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 times. Repeat, chain 1, skip 2 chains in the first double crochet, make 1 slip stitch. Row 3 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch, in the next double crochet 2 double crochet, 1 chain and skip a chain, and repeat the pattern in the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain, skip the chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet and 2 double crochet, increase in the next stitch. Follow the same pattern around. At the end of row 3 double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 in the last stitch. Repeat the pattern 12 times. Now chain 1, make a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Now repeat and follow the increasing row 3 for the pattern of this blanket or table mat, placemat. You can make it smaller or bigger. Repeat the increasing row. This is the increasing row, 2 chains. We don't count these 2 chain in the same double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. In the same group last stitch, every group last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet. Double crochet in the last stitch. In every group double crochet 1 in every stitch, and in the last stitch each group follow the same pattern. Chain 1 and skip the chain. In the next I have 3 stitches in row 3. Repeat 1 double crochet, 2 stitches, 1 in the next stitch, and in the last stitch in the same group last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet, Now I have 4 stitches in every group. Follow the same pattern. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the increasing row 1 2 3 4. This is row 4, the increasing row. In row 5, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then repeat and make a chain 1 in every group. Middle between 2 groups, make a chain 1, and every group last stitch increase and make 2 double crochet in every stitch, 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Follow the same work, then slip stitch and repeat the pattern. You can make it smaller or bigger. A mini coaster I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 row. Now change color, green for leaves. Make a loop, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and 3 chains, skip 2 chains. In the next stitch make a single crochet, 3 chains, and skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch single crochet, 3 chains, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch single crochet. Continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch. Okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, and now make a chain 3, slip stitch. In the first stitch I have 24 chain space. In the next chain space make a single crochet. We are making a leaves, double crochet, 3 chains and single crochet in the same double crochet stitch. Make a picot and 1 double crochet more in the same stitch. Leaf we are making a round. In the next chain space make a single crochet and double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, 1 double crochet and single crochet. Continue and follow the same work around. Single crochet, double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, double crochet and single crochet. Follow the same work around. Okay, I'm making a flowers, rose flower. For this little coaster I'm using pink, the same wool, a double knit medium weight 4 ply I'm using for this pattern. Coaster is ready. In the single crochet stitch here, I am working attach a yarn in the single crochet stitch and make a chains 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chains. In the third chain make a double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 in the next stitch, 1 2 and 3, double crochet 3 into next stitch, and then follow the same work across till the end. Follow the same work across here, then finish with a slip stitch. Okay, here 3 double crochet stitches make into the last stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And finish here. Fold this little flower around, and then finish here. Flower is ready, a little flower. In the wrong side, sew and attach. Take a loop here in the wrong side. Pull out 1 slip stitch into the single crochet stitch here. Cut a yarn with a needle, secure more the flower. Little flower is ready, and finish. We have done here 1 make into the single crochet. Skip this little 2 leaves and skip 2 single crochet stitches into the next stitch. Sew 1 more, make it as we have done here, then finish off. You can make it smaller or bigger size video on my YouTube channel. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.